How to fix no sound in HP, Dell, computers. In this video I will show you two methods it will fix your problem. First, open Device Manager. Expand Sound Video Game Controller.
If that didn't work,
After uninstall, scan for hardware changes.
Now restart your computer and your problem should be fixed.
Step 2. Open Sound Control Panel. Select Disable All Enhancement.
Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.